In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit funds into the Exness Trade app using a local bank transfer. By the end, you'll know exactly where to tap, what to check, and how to complete your first deposit smoothly and securely. Start by opening the Exness Trade app and logging into your account. Make sure you're on a stable internet connection, and for security, only log in on devices you trust. If you use biometrics or a passcode, have that ready so you can move through the process without interruption. Once you're in, head to the Accounts tab. This is where you can see your trading accounts and manage balances. Take a quick look to confirm which account you want to fund, especially if you have more than one. That way you'll select the right destination in the next step. On the dashboard, tap Deposit. You'll see a list of funding options supported in your region. Choose Local Bank Transfer or the relevant banking option shown to you. Availability can vary, so pick the one that matches your bank and currency. If you see any notes on fees or processing times, give them a quick read before continuing. Now enter the deposit amount and select the trading account you want to fund. If you have multiple accounts, be deliberate here. Double check the amount and consider any minimums or limits that might be displayed. It's also a good idea to ensure your bank account has sufficient funds and that your currency settings align with your trading account to avoid unnecessary conversion. Next, review the summary and tap Confirm. Pause for a moment to verify the amount, the payment method, and the target account. If an exchange rate or expected arrival time is shown, note it. When everything looks good, proceed. You'll be redirected to your bank's portal to complete the payment. Follow your bank's instructions, which may include entering a one-time password or using your banking app to approve the transaction. Keep the Exness Trade app open in the background until you're returned to it. After your successful first deposit, your bank account details will be saved automatically as a payment method, making future deposits and withdrawals faster and more convenient. Once you're back in the app, your funds may appear quickly, although some transfers can take a short time to process. Refresh the balance or check your transaction history to confirm the update. If it takes longer than expected, wait a few minutes and try again. And that's it. You've opened the app, gone to Accounts, initiated a deposit, selected your bank method, entered your details, confirmed, and finished the transaction through your bank. Happy trading!